Today I am reviewing the GMKtec K12 gaming mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today we're checking out something seriously impressive in the world of compact desktops, the GMKtec K12 gaming mini PC. Now, mini PCs are usually known for being small and efficient, but not always powerful enough for gaming or heavy workloads. That's where this machine completely flips expectations. Right from the start, the GMKtec K12 stands out as a performance-focused mini PC built for users who want serious power without the bulk of a traditional desktop. Whether you're into gaming, content creation, or just want an ultra-fast system for multitasking, this device is designed to deliver. Let's start with the heart of the system, the processor. This mini PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 H255, which is essentially an upgraded version of the Ryzen 7 8745HS. You're getting 8 cores and 16 threads, with boost speeds up to 4.9 GHz. In real-world use, this translates to excellent performance across the board. From heavy multitasking to demanding applications like video editing or coding, everything runs smoothly and efficiently. This chip is based on AMD's newer Zen 4 architecture, which brings noticeable improvements in performance and efficiency compared to older generations. It also supports advanced instruction sets like AVX 512, making it even more capable for professional workloads and future-proof tasks. Now, what really makes this mini PC exciting is the graphics. It comes equipped with Radeon 780M integrated graphics, and this is not your typical iGPU. This is one of the most powerful integrated graphic solutions currently available. It can handle modern games at playable settings, especially when using technologies like FSR to boost performance. For casual to moderate gaming, this system performs surprisingly well. Titles like esports games, AAA games on optimized settings, and even some demanding titles can run smoothly. And beyond gaming, it excels in creative workloads such as video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming. Moving on to memory and storage, the GMKtec K12 is very well equipped. It comes with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz, which is fantastic for multitasking and heavy workloads. Whether you're running multiple applications, virtual machines, or editing large files, this amount of RAM ensures everything stays responsive. Storage-wise, you get a fast 512 GB PCIe 4.0 SSD out of the box, which delivers quick boot times and fast file transfers. But what really sets this system apart is its expandability. It features 3 M.2 2280 slots, allowing you to expand storage up to a massive 24 TB. That's something you rarely see in a mini PC and makes this ideal for creators or users with large data needs. Now let's talk about connectivity and display support. This mini PC is built for modern setups. It supports up to 4 displays simultaneously, with resolutions going all the way up to 4K and even 8K on supported outputs. Whether you're building a multi-monitor workstation or an immersive gaming setup, this system has you covered. You get HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB 4, giving you flexibility and high-speed data transfer. And then there's something really unique, the Oculink port. This is a big deal for enthusiasts because it allows you to connect an external GPU with higher bandwidth than traditional Thunderbolt connections. If you ever want to turn this mini PC into a full-blown gaming powerhouse, that option is right there. Networking is another strong point. With dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, this system is perfect for advanced networking setups like servers, firewalls, or network aggregation. On top of that, you also get Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for fast and stable wireless connectivity. Cooling is often a concern with powerful mini PCs, but GMKtec has done a great job here. The K12 features a dual-fan cooling system with heat pipes and 360-degree airflow. Even under heavy workloads, the system stays cool and relatively quiet, operating at around 35 decibels in quiet mode. That's impressive considering the level of performance you're getting. And if you like a bit of style, the built-in RGB lighting with multiple modes adds a nice touch, especially if this sits on your desk as part of a gaming setup. So who is this mini PC for? Honestly, it fits a wide range of users. Gamers who want a compact setup, content creators who need power and expandability, professionals working with heavy applications, or even tech enthusiasts who want a versatile and future-ready system. Of course, it's important to be realistic. While the integrated graphics are powerful, this is still not a replacement for a high-end dedicated GPU gaming rig, unless you take advantage of that Oculink port and add an external GPU. But for most users, the performance here will be more than enough. Overall, the GMKtec K12 gaming mini PC is a standout option in the mini PC space. It combines high-end performance, massive expandability, modern connectivity, and gaming capability into a compact and stylish design. It's one of those rare devices that truly balances power and size without major compromises. If you're looking for a mini PC that goes beyond basic tasks and steps into serious performance territory, this is definitely one to consider. And if you want to check it out for yourself or grab it at the best price, be sure to look at the links in the description below.